This video is going to show you how to make upside down cherry nut pound cake. First you need 2 eggs, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 box of pound cake mix, I'm just using store-bought pound cake mix. So then you mix all this up. You'll need 1 can of cherry pie filling and 1/2 cup of walnuts. First, just stir the pound cake mix up. Preheat your oven on 350. Also have a glass casserole dish greased to put it in. 9 by 13. It's plenty big enough pan to put it in. Just mix this up till it's creamy. In your greased casserole pan, we're going to put our walnuts first. About 1/2 cup. Just put them on the bottom of the pan. Scatter it out. So there's a little bit everywhere. Okay. Then we're going to put our cherry pie filling down. A little spoonful at a time. Spread it out all over the pan. Then we put our pound cake mix in. And we spread it all around. Then we're going to put it in the oven on 350 for 25 minutes. Our cherry upside down pound cake just came out of the oven. What you want to do is take a knife and go all the way around to loosen it up a little before you try to flip it. Just make sure it's none of it's sticking to the sides. So once you do that, then we're going to put some parchment paper on it in a pan. It's a little bit bigger than that pan. Then we're going to take our gloves, flip it over, and because it is a glass pan, you can see that it fell right off the pan as soon as we flipped it. So then you need something to get under it, butter knife, something. You don't want to touch this pan because it's scalding hot. To get it off of there, get the rest of our cherries and our nuts that's stuck to the bottom. Spread them out there. Here is your upside down cherry nut pound cake. see how it looks on the inside. There is your cherry upside down nut cake. I hope you like my recipe for upside down cherry nut pound cake. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.